Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Mercedes Benz C Class. The first thing we have to do, into settings, make sure Bluetooth is on. We're watching out at the bottom here, and now you can either click the menu there, select telephone, or you've got a telephone button here, click telephone, and there it's on telephone, but it's not showing you anything. What you need to do now is pull the selector back towards you, click it back towards you, then select connect device, click connect device, and you've got search for phones. Being careful, which I always do, this like trackpad on the top of this thing, click search for phones and then turn across, start search. Sometimes if you touch this top bit here, it moves it where you don't want to. So it's searching for a phone. It's found my phone. Turn it down to my phone. Click select. There you go. Bluetooth pairing request 518908. 518908. Yes. It says it's saying connection unsuccessful there, but it will go through. I'm pretty sure it's something to do with the latest iOS update on Apple. As I say, just ignore it. And you can see there, Mercedes Benz Bluetooth connected. So that's it.